Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Imou Ranger 2 Indoor Smart Security Camera. On the front of the box, we can see an image of the product. Right here, we have some of the salient features. Let's go through them one by one. The camera comes with night vision, smart tracking. It can record at 1080p Full HD. And it has 360 degrees of pan and 90 degrees of tilt. You can see the Imou branding on the top right corner and the Ranger branding on the bottom right. On the right hand side of the package, we have an illustration of the camera in use in an household environment. Right here are the salient features. We have already seen the 1080p Full HD feature. It has two-way talk, sound direction, smart tracking, privacy mode, night vision. It has an alarm zone as well. You can use the cloud storage function to store the recorded clips, or you can even store it locally via an SD card. It will also give you mobile alerts. Right here we have a sticker that has some of the importing and manufacturing information. And on the bottom of the sticker, we have the information and details regarding the customer care. Right here, we have the symbol that shows that this product is BIS certified. On the left-hand side of the package, we can see an image of how the smart tracking feature on this camera works. We can also see a screenshot or within a mobile phone of how the app that this camera comes with works. On top, we can see that it is compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon's Alexa, and it is also GDPR compliant. On top, we have Imou branding, and there's nothing on the bottom. On the back of the package, we have some more salient features in multiple languages. The one over here is in English, and that's the only one that we are concerned with. You can set up alarms using the alarm scheduling function. It also has geofencing. It can shoot at H.265 bitrate, 360 degrees of view. It has human detection. It has a privacy mode as well. And it can be connected via Wi-Fi. The camera also features a 16x digital zoom. Underneath that, we have a QR code that leads to the download page of the app that can be used with this security camera. Over here, we have the model number, which is IPC-A22EP-A. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. In the box, we get some literature in the form of a quick start guide. This should help you with understanding the various functions of the security camera and also get you started off with using the camera. We also have a legal and regulatory information notice. It's in multiple languages, and you can go through this at your leisure. We get some screws as well, and we have a sticker that can be used to mark the drill points wherever you decide to mount this security camera. We also have the power adapter and the microUSB power cable. We can see that it is a standard Indian 2-pin plug. Here we can see a symbol that shows that it is safe for household use, and the output figures are 5 volts at 1.0 amperes. There is a USB Type A female interface on this side, which corresponds to the USB Type A interface on the power cable. The power cable itself is approximately 2 meters long. Coming to the security camera, we can see the Imou branding on right in the front. Above that, we have the camera module. Above the camera module, we have a light indicator right here. We can see that it can rotate. Underneath that, now that we have turned the camera to point upwards, we can see the microSD card or TF card slot, and we also have a reset button to the right. The camera can be rotated along the Y-axis as well. On the back, we can see a sticker which has the BIS certification. Underneath that, we have the speaker grill that enables the talkback functionality, and underneath that we have a couple of interfaces. We have a Ethernet cable interface, and to the right we have the microUSB interface, which corresponds to the microUSB on the power cable. On the bottom we have a QR code, and we also have the power output, which we have already gone through. So this was the unboxing of the Imou Ranger 2 security camera. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.